My greetings to you all. I'm happy to know that under the initiative of United Nations, International Day of Conscience is being observed on the 5th of April this year. In my view, it is very high time to awake the conscience of the humanity once again, because at this moment we are knowingly doing something negative which is causing numerous challenges to the humanity, to all sentient beings, and to the earth. In the ancient time, we are doing something which is not appropriate without knowing the consequences or without knowing the nature of the action. But today, the humanity has acquired a great deal of information and understanding of the entire universe, movements and its conditions. In spite of that, we are not able to cooperate our lifestyle in the law of nature, to the law of nature, and for the benefit of the future of the sentient beings. Therefore, we need to awake and call the conscience of the entire humanity to realize the present situation and to do something very urgently for the benefit of the coming generation and future of the earth. The postmodern civilization have changed some of the important priorities. For example, the priority between individual and society, the priority in between the right and responsibility, the priority between cooperation and competition, and so forth. Therefore, we are not able to lead a life of peace and harmonious living on this planet Earth. As you know, everyone, that the entire universe, and particularly all the living beings, are interconnected and interdependence. Unless we are living in a cooperative way and with loving kindness and helping each other, we are not able to survive oneself and also let survive the others. So therefore, we must curate a culture of love and culture of affection, a culture of respecting to each other, so that all the living beings on this planet Earth harmoniously, not only among themselves alone, but also with the nature and with the all environment and everything. So therefore, by observing this kind of day to remind us our responsibility, and particularly our responsibility for the coming generation, we might be able to create a force of love to counter the destruction of the force of conflict and force of violence. So therefore, we must awake the human inner intelligence and the conscience, so that we might be able to restore what damage have caused in this universe and on this planet Earth, and create a society of loving kindness and harmonious living and helping each other. Thank you very much.